Have you had your eye on Top Billing by Raquel Welch? If so, then this video is for you. Welcome to the Wiggy Woman. I am so excited to be bringing you this review of Top Billing by Raquel Welch in color Bronze Sable. For the best wig and topper reviews and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell so that you're alerted each time a wig review or tutorial is posted weekly. I have been wearing some kind of alternative hair for years, whether it be extensions, toppers, or wigs. I have made just about every mistake in the book, and I'm here to share my experience with you to help you have the easiest path forward in your journey. I purchased Top Billing with my own funds so I can give you a true pros and cons comparison to help you decide if this hair topper is right for you. While I do wear wigs on a pretty full-time basis, there is definitely a place in my heart for toppers. My desire to wear wigs mostly comes from the fact that I can be unlimited in terms of the color choices available to me when I don't have to blend in my synthetic hair with my actual hair. But sometimes, especially when it's hot out, you just can't beat the comfort and simplicity of a topper. Top Billing has a lot of the features that I love in a wig, but instead it's in a topper, so there's a lot less bulk. It's no wonder that this is actually one of my favorite toppers to wear on a regular basis. I always like to start topper videos with my hair natural, and I do that so that you can see what a topper will and won't cover. Because this is a topper and not a wig, there is going to be some of my hair that will be visible when we're done. Before we put Top Billing on, let's check out the features under the cap. Let's take a look at the inside of this topper, and we'll start up at this very natural hairline, which consists of temple to temple lace front. There's also tons of monofilament, so it can be parted in any direction, and 4 pressure sensitive clips that are going to help secure the topper to your head. All of this monofilament means that there is no permatease in this topper, so you can get a really sleek look. The coverage on this topper is approximately the entire length of my hand from finger to wrist. So if you wanted to measure your own head and the coverage that you need, that would be a pretty good estimation. You will notice that there is no clip up at the front because of that lace front. Now let's put it on. This is Top Billing by Raquel Welch in color Bronze Sable. Bronze Sable is a medium brown with these ginger blonde highlights. The highlights, as you can see, are evenly distributed throughout and are subtle but still a little bit chunky. One of the great things about Top Billing by Raquel Welch is that this is a lace front topper. And what that means is that you don't have to leave any of your hair out for blending. Having a lace front is an upgrade from a basic construction of a topper, because if you have thinning up here at the front, it can be really difficult to blend in your thinner hair with a big voluminous topper. Also, if you're like me and you have a ton of gray at the roots, or maybe your hair color is growing out, you are going to be able to completely hide it with this lace front because it creates a new hairline for you. So you have these highlights that go all the way up to your hairline. But since this is a lace front, you don't have a clip right here in the front that you normally would on maybe a more basic topper construction. So in order to still get that security, if you are thinning here at the temples, this is where those 2 clips are going to be. If you have thinning hair right here, it will be difficult to secure this topper properly. And even if you don't, sometimes it can be difficult to keep that lace laying flat all day long. If you want to know how I install this topper, I do have a video on this exact topper install right here. This topper is 12 inches from the top to the ends, and you can see that my hair is just a tad shorter than this particular topper. However, I don't mind it so much because it kind of gives it a layered look, although if you want to, this could be cut to fit. For me, my natural hair color is a medium brown, so this Bronze Sable shade is really great to be able to blend in quite well with a medium brown like this. Another thing that I love about Top Billing by Raquel Welch is that this is a full coverage topper. So you have coverage for 360 degrees. So I will turn around and I'll show you the back and you can see the coverage between the topper and my own hair.
Top Billing has these cute little fringes in the front. It's not enough to create a full bang. It could be cut shorter, but it just gives this really wispy, beautiful side bang. Keep an eye on these fibers. You'll notice that they are relatively shiny, but not nearly as bad as some synthetic hair pieces. It kind of looks like healthy, natural hair. Here you can see some of my natural hair peeking out, so you really get an idea of what kind of coverage you're going to get. As I fluff my hair, you'll see these true-to-life fibers really move and feel like natural biological hair. As we round out the last side, you'll notice that very little of my actual hair was showing, and this has great coverage.
Leave me a note in the comments and let me know where you're at with your hair loss journey. Are you someone who likes to wear wigs most of the time or are looking to pepper in a topper here and there? Or are you at that stage of hair loss where you are comfortable with just supplementing your hair with a little bit of helper hair?
Maintenance-wise, this is so much easier than a wig because most of the tangling that I have happens at the nape, and this topper has no nape. So you can see it combs really, really smooth and really, really evenly. These fibers are so soft.
These true-to-life fibers are also heat friendly. So if your hair has a little bit of a wave to it, you can style this topper. Or if you want your hair and the topper to be stick straight, you can take your favorite flat iron to it. Just make sure that the temperature is less than 350 degrees. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it helped you decide whether or not Top Billing by Raquel Welch is right for you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell so that you're alerted each time a wig review or tutorial is posted weekly. I did put a link in the description to this exact topper, and if you want to know how I install it, you can check out that video right there. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell so that you're alerted each time a wig review or tutorial is posted weekly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.